Alright, so by the title, you guys already know that I have another dupe video for you. My last dupe video was the Lime Crime, the Venus palette, and the Venus 2 palette, I think is what it's called. I think I call it like a Jupiter palette because I could find it on Lime Crime because I didn't think it was an actual thing, okay? There are two palettes that Lime Crime sells, and I found two dupes for them on a beautiful website that I love to use called Shop Hush. If you guys not have checked them out, please do. This video is not sponsored. Trust me, if it was, I would be freaking out right now, okay? Not that big yet. I am here to give you guys the Huda Beauty dupes because, as you guys all know, or if you didn't know, but now you know, nigga. The Huda Beauty palettes are $65 each. The only amount of money that is going to be higher than that I'm going to spend on a palette is going to be the Violet Voss palette, the Ride or Die palette, because man, do I want that palette. I don't want to spend the money. I don't want to spend $75 on a palette. Okay, it's just gonna break my bank. Two palettes from Bad Habit. They are both from Bad Habit. If you guys haven't heard of the company, I can't tell you anything about it because I haven't heard about it either. But if you guys have heard of the company, then shit, good for you. Let me know. Let me know if they got some other things because your girl likes these palettes, okay? I'm gonna do swatches for you of both. There are 15. I don't know if I'm gonna swatch all of them, like. So this is the Aphrodite palette and this is the Athena palette. I'm going to go ahead and pull up the picture. I'm going to start with the Aphrodite palette, and this. Okay, so the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette, the Rose Gold edition, the Bad Habit Aphrodite 18. Oh my god, you guys, in my last video of the unboxing video, I said that it was only 15 and I meant to put it's 18. So there is 18 eyeshadows in this, and in the Huda Beauty palette there are 18 as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and unbox this for you guys so that you can see. You can see what we are working with. So this is just how it looks, exactly like the fucking box. This is the dupe, okay, if you guys can see that. Beautiful colors, literally looks like, honestly, to me it looks like the palette. If you guys haven't seen the palette, I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to block out my face because we don't really care about my face, we just care about the palette. So this is the regular one, the dupe, the cheap, if you want to call it that. Only going to swatch a few of them. I will swatch some of the shimmers and some of the matte shades so you guys get a feel of what is what, but there is 18 and I don't know if I want to do all 18 colors, okay? Thought there was only 15. That's a lot. Some of these shades in the Huda Beauty palette kind of look like glitters. I'm not 100% sure if they are or not. They could just be regular, you know, colors, but we shall see. So I'm going to start with Angelic. Angelic is in the Huda Beauty palette. If you guys do not know what it looks like, this is what it looks like right over here. And there is going to be a dupe for it, and that's going to be Crush in this Aphrodite palette. And I'm just going to go ahead and swatch it for y'all. By the way, this is my first... Y'all are going to be impressed. Hair flip. Okay, this is my first time actually like testing, swatching anything. I did hold off on this because I was really excited and I wanted you guys to get my first reaction because my first reaction is always the best. Okay, so. Oh my god, this is like my new favorite color. Jesus Christ. I don't even have a towel. I'm just rubbing this on my leg. Okay, wow. I'm pretty impressed with this. And then we have Fling. If you guys don't know what Fling looks like, it's going to be right here. And the dupe for that color is going to be Love. The only thing that's different about this palette versus the Huda palette is that the colors are kind of switched around, so it doesn't exactly look like it. It has the same shades. You can kind of tell that it has the same shades. It's just not in the same exact spot. So if you guys are like worried about that, trust me, it's like the same palette. Okay. I just like the shade and it like looks really nice. Like, okay. Holy you guys. I did a good job picking these out for all of you. So if you don't buy this palette and save money rather than spending $65, I'm probably gonna fly out to wherever you are and beat your ass. Just kidding. Probably won't get monetized if I say that.
Wow, 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 wow. I'm impressed.
I'm going to go ahead with Flamingo, and now Flamingo is a little bit more hot pink than the one that I'm about to show you, but then dupe for that is going to be this one, and it is called Flirt, cause I'm a flirt. Soon as I see her walk up in the club, I'm a flirt. Just kidding. This $12 palette is kicking that $65 palette's booty cheeks. So the next color is Bossy, and this one is actually a little bit darker in the Huda palette, but the dupe is going to be Lust. I'm so happy that I got red shades, you guys. Oh my god. If you do not buy this palette, then I don't know what's wrong with you. $65, $12, $6.65, $12, $65, $12. Okay, so the last color that I like from this palette is 24K, and it looks like this, and the dupe is going to be Sparks, which is this nice gold shade over here. 24 karat magic in the air. Rating for the $12 palette will be a 10. That kind of set the bar kind of high. Okay, so this other palette, this next palette needs to make sure that it works, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this off because the Athena palette is a dupe for the other palette, which if I can load it on my phone, dupe for the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk eyeshadow palette. Ooh, pretty. This palette looks like this one, and this original one looks like this. I think they look pretty. They look pretty alike, okay. The first one that actually caught my eye is going to be Epic, and I want to see what dupe that's going to be for. Twilight. I think it's Twilight. You know what? If it's not Twilight, nah, it's Twilight. Or it's Retrograde. Let's start with the glitter one since I actually know what the dupe is to that. So Cosmo in the Huda Beauty palette looks like this, and the dupe for that is going to be this beautiful color. If you guys didn't see it on my snap, I put it on my snap the other day. It's called Daring, and I think it's so freaking pretty. I think it's a glitter. We're gonna try it out. Oh my god. It is a glitter, I think. Wow. Okay, so this is it's a glitter. It's definitely a glitter. It's like a pressed glitter. This is pretty nice. I like it. Okay, so the next one is going to be Eden. Eden looks like this in the regular palette, and in the dupe, it is going to be Velour, which is this color up here. It's a matte shade. Oh, wow. Oh, you guys. Oh, yeah. Yeah. 3 that I'm so confused with what they might be. And with another matte shade, because I want to show you guys how like pigmented the mattes are. There is a shade called Amber. That's this one. Amber is going to be a little bit darker, but the dupe is going to be Power, which is this color right over here. Can I do it this way? Ooh, pretty. I feel like that's like the color that I did on the last one. But who knows? And because we like that purple amethyst right here, the dupe is going to be this color right over here, which is called Justice. Oh my god, I'm going to have so fun in these palettes. You guys don't understand. Okay, so this is still my favorite. I mean, I love glitter, so like, of course it's going to be my favorite, but it's not my favorite because of the glitter. It's my favorite because of the color. It reminds me of like chocolate coffee. That's a thing. That's definitely a thing. So basically those are the 2 dupes. I really hope you guys like them. I mean, I think they are great palettes. I just almost hit myself in the eye, and that would have been all bad. But these 2 dupes, don't get me wrong, Not every color is going to be the same, okay? That's why they're dupes and not the exact same thing, because if we would be doing the exact same thing, then we would just be copying the other company, and we don't want to do that. We just want to make like a different version that's same quality, great quality, and affordable. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'm really hoping that this video gets as many as my last one did, because I feel like you guys liked the dupes for sure. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.